Hi there, it's Nikos here and welcome to the Simple Smart VIP program. I created this program for new traders but also for advanced traders which are not really happy with their results so far. We are here and ready to share our skills and knowledge with you and of course our tools that we use in order to succeed for many years. But of course I need to show you the stuff on my charts. Alright, what we have here is a classic MetaTrader 4 chart. And right now we have our Spartan system template on this chart, right? There are two ways we approach the markets. First, by using our classic Spartan template, this is this one, and doing our approach, top-down approach, looking for trends, ranges, breakouts, etc. And the second way to approach the market is by using our Renko charts. And we like, or I personally like to combine both, but you can also use them separately. Both are super powerful and we are teaching you to use both of them, either separately or in combination. Of course, we have a great help when trading and approaching the markets. And this is, or those are our two EAs that come actually with a VIP membership. The first is the Risk EA. And what that does is it's actually helping you to find setups. You can set the risk in percentage. You can split the positions into different parts, and that is part of our strategies anyway. You see bounces and breaks on EMAs like the 200 and 633, which are acting as major support and resistance in combination, of course, with horizontal lines and trend lines, but we'll teach you all that. And if you already know what exactly you have to do, then trading is so easy because you can just get to a point where you say, okay, I see a setup now, I know it's worth trading, I'll set up my EA, for instance 2 or 3 positions. This is the amount I want to risk in percentage, for example, because remember, key point is account protection first, okay? And then you see, okay, everything is lined up, it makes all sense, and according to the trading rules I let my EA trade now, or I place pending orders. You can literally go and say, okay, for example, we have a setup in making. We don't have one right now, but if we had one, you'll say, okay, I want in here, I take my account protection order or stop loss down here. My targets are here or here or here, wherever. You can set everything up. And the most important part, you don't worry about pips calculation. You just say, I want to risk 0.5%, 1%, maximum 2%, for example, for my trading on this position. This and this is my target because of that and that reason. And that's it. That is really relaxed trading. What you do, you just place the order. You can open pending orders just by clicking. And then what happens? You just go away and enjoy the ride. Okay, that's the way to actually trade, especially for the guys that don't have much time. You can close the positions if you want to. You can trail your stop loss. You can open pending and market orders if you want to trade live right away. It's all possible with a simple Risk EA. Now, I will not go into much detail on this EA or the Renko chart EA, because when you just scroll down on this page, you will find 2 videos explaining exactly what those EAs do in combination with our templates. Okay, I just want you to see the power of our trading style. Now, if you go to the Renko charts, remember the Renkos don't measure time. You calculate them, or they're calculated in volatility and price action. That means if you set it to 12 pips per box, you won't see another candle on the chart until the price is actually moving lower or higher by 12 points. and that is filtering out a lot of sideways movements, giving you the opportunity to trade in one or the other direction in an easy and relaxed way, especially when using our simple smart Renko EA. What that does, exactly the same, more or less. It's looking for setups according to our system rules. For instance, 1 to 3's classic ABCs. And if the rules are met, you can set the risk. You can split the position into 1, 2, or 3 parts. If you know in which direction you want to trade, for instance, right now it's very clear that we all want to go long. You'll say, okay, if price is giving me another setup here, a long setup, just an example, and the price actually retracing to a point of my choice, you will learn all the strategies. Remember that. You can activate and say, okay, I just want longs, no shorts, and now, okay, let's do this. If this stuff is bothering you, again, we calculate always in percentage, never in pips and points. That is just sidetracking you. It's not the way it works in trading. Okay, you want to calculate in risk. So what happens now? Doesn't matter if you're busy, if you're at work, if you always worry about money, risk management, that all goes away, and you can literally focus on learning how to trade and use those great tools, the EAs, to help you achieve your goals in trading. It's really that simple. Okay, you can hide this if you don't like to see it on the charts. You can at any point stop the EA and check for new setups depending on the strategy. If you may be a day trader or scalper, there are different ways to approach the markets, and we are teaching you that, of course, in much detail. So again, you get a detailed explanation of how the EAs work on Renko, on Heiken classic charts, just by scrolling down on this page. Okay, now let's go into details. The simple smart advanced VIP membership. Okay, so what can the VIP membership do for you? That's the important question. It's designed first of all for advanced traders, but also for new traders. Why? Because the beginners program is included anyway, so you get an idea of how things work, you digest it, and then there's so many nice detailed videos, modules that will help you understand. So don't worry about it if you're new to trading. Now, all my profitable classic Spartan and Renko strategies are included. Again, those are the video modules. And when we switch to the members area, one second, you will see that everything is organized. First of all, there's an intro explaining how to work here, and then when you click on the video modules, you see the top-down approach, swing trading, day trading, scalping strategies, how-to modules. Then you go to the Renko charts, the Renko module 2 strategies, the trading robot, meaning the EA, and all the extra modules and updates you get here. It's all in there, so it's really easy to approach. You just click, you go step by step. I explain everything to you. You'll see all the strategies here in video format, so very easy. You can download stuff. You have access to the live trading room. Don't forget that 6 times a week. Here's the schedule, the links, it's all there. And the best thing, in case you miss out a session, it's all recorded, so you just check the replays. And of course, we create focus sessions on different topics that are important to our members, where we focus on, and we always update those as well. Right now, some brokers contact us, so it's all here. Everything you need is right there for you. As mentioned before, swing traders, day traders, and scalpers for all the styles. Our risk EA and Renko semi-automated trade EA is not only included, but you also get all the updates. And you have your own licenses. You have like 3 licenses you can use for 3 different accounts, so nobody can take them from you. It's all for you. You have unlimited, as I said, access to the live room. Some people use it just to compare with your own strategy or with your own style as an extra confirmation. Some people just like to be there with like-minded people and look together and trade together. Okay, it's up to you how you want to use it. It's there for you anyway. And I'm also mentioning the focus sessions that I showed to you, that I explained to you before and showed to you in the members area. And another amazing thing is our access to the private Facebook group. Here traders are sharing their trades. They send signals out to you guys. They show their results, ideas they have, all those very, very important things, and that makes trading actually what it is. And you want to use all of it. You don't have to, but you can use all of it, whatever feels best, okay, in order to get the results you're looking for. And it's really not difficult to be profitable in trading, especially if you have all that support. Let me show you around how it looks here in the Facebook group. So members can really post everything. You'll see trades, results. They discuss, they encourage each other. They're asking questions. They show what they do exactly, the risk management, the trade management, the comment. It's really a nice way to interact with other traders, like-minded traders, and actually enjoy and have fun, right? So that goes on like this forever, day in, day out, sharing charts, sharing results, and discussing. Okay, guys? Just for you to get an idea how powerful and nice that is. Another super important part is the technical support we have. Like, they're new traders or traders that are not very good with the technical part. So what happens, you just tell us and we have our technical support helping you with setting up the account, or if you have issues with the EAs, or if you have generally issues with your PC maybe. So we are here to help you make sure that you are happy and you get your long-term results. Okay, remember, we created this program to be on top of things all the time, to update you, to create new EAs that will help you get to your goals faster, new ideas. Members are sharing their own tweaked strategies, meaning like if they have a way, they find a way that is for them better, they share it with you in the Facebook group. We create special sessions just to focus on those new ways of trading or different approaches. Okay, we have already so many members that are happy with their results, using the strategies, using the EAs, growing their accounts, telling others, like word of mouth. It's going like this. We have testimonials, great feedback almost daily. Remember, we are here to support your success in trading, your long-term success, to help you leveraging profits, to help you focus, to help you work on your trader's mindset, to help you trade more relaxed, to stop worrying about time, to stop worrying about risk management, because it's all included. So there's no better way to get this done other than just joining us. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate, send us an email, or you can contact us via Skype, and we are happy to chat with you and figure out if what we have is what you want and what you need. See you soon, and bye for now.